Hey everyone, this will be an in-depth tutorial where I'll be showing you how to create stunning professional posters from A to Z in Canva. Whether you need eye-catching posters for your business, school events, personal projects, or just for fun, Canva makes it easy to design like a pro. We'll be covering absolutely everything you need to know about crafting incredible posters even with no design experience. From choosing templates, working with elements, customizing text, using visuals, enhancing with effects, finalizing your design, downloading, printing, and so on. So without much further ado, let's dive into creating our poster. The first step is to head to canva.com and then sign up for a free account. Canva is one of the most user-friendly design platforms available today. While Canva does offer premium features with Canva Pro like photo editing, animated elements, and more templates, it's amazing how powerful the free version is on its own. You can design beautiful professional-looking posters using the free tools, so don't worry about the subscription just yet. Once your account is all set up, let's start by searching posters to browse Canva's template selection. Templates are the perfect way to start our poster design process. You can choose a layout that matches your poster's style, theme, and purpose, and then fully customize it however you like. For example, if you're making a poster to promote an upcoming concert, look for fun music-themed templates. Or if you want a vintage look for your small business, search for classic retro options. Templates handle the layout heavy lifting so we can focus on what matters most, which is adapting the content to fit our unique needs. You will still have 100% creative control, but they'll be providing our initial template design, so don't be afraid to experiment with them and choose what suits you. Once you've selected a template, it's time to hop into Canva's intuitive design tools to start building our amazing custom poster. One of my go-to menus is Element, where you'll find a massive library of graphics, logos, shapes, etc. that you can drag into your design. Let's add a cool border at the bottom to reinforce our theme. Next, we'll have to use the background menu to change from the default white to a more fitting color. You can play around with different hues to find out the one that suits your brand. Vibrant options work great for posters to instantly capture people's attention. And now we can customize the template text by clicking each box and typing or pasting in your own. For the top level titles and headlines, be brief and bold, like huge sale or big event or whatever you want to highlight. Just make it stand out. And below we can add more details on date, location, and all that. You should take advantage of text editing options like font, sizing, and all of that to adapt the style of your brand. You can add visual flair with italics, all caps, or fun fonts for impact. Make sure to include enough detail to inform readers but keep text minimal for scannability. Also, don't forget to swap any placeholder images for relevant high-quality photos or illustrations. You can play around with arranging all the elements until you have a balanced, intentional layout, and then use the alignment and spacing tools to section off information. And now this is where we can take it a step further by elevating our poster with pro design effects. Once your Canva poster is really coming together, it's time to boost it to the next level by adding some pro level effects and finishing touches. You can make the headlines pop by adding effects like text shadows, 3D lifts, or glows. You can also add borders and divider lines between sections to further organize information visually. If you want to improve readability for longer bodies of text, we can decrease font size, add spacing between paragraphs. Breaking up dense blocks of text makes them less intimidating. And for an extra flair, we can add layer transparent graphic elements like shapes or logos behind text to add visual interest. Just make sure any overlaid objects are sent backwards so text stays readable. And then lastly, we want to visually highlight any important information like event dates, locations, so viewers immediately know what action to take. Strategically use bolding, color, or effect to draw attention to key details. So as you keep adding those finishing touches, check all the pieces and how they come together in the overall composition. You can keep editing alignment, spacing, and sizing adjustments until everything works together very well. For exporting our poster from Canva, first, you need to download your poster from Canva using this big download button. For digital use on websites, blogs, or social media, export it as a PNG file. For printing, PDF is best to prevent image quality loss. Now in the export window, select the maximum dimensions and high quality resolution so your image stays very clear and presentable. Once you've had it downloaded at your computer, you can easily get it printed at your local printer if you want to hang it up on walls or even boards and all that. For online sharing, upload your poster file anywhere that you want it to be seen, whether it's websites, emails, social media, and really the list goes on. And that was all on how we can design beautiful professional looking posters using Canva completely free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos that we make.